it's Andrea. I'm back with another unboxing. Today it's for Scentbird. Don't forget I have a couple giveaways going on that end tomorrow, Saturday, March 21st. I'll link them down below. If you want to sign up, you must be a subscriber. This right here is a scent perfume subscription. Or instead of choosing a perfume, you could choose a skincare or makeup or something like that too. They've got those options too. I do it for the perfume. It's $14.95 a month. Usually you don't get the little atomizer that you put it in with every order. I was actually supposed to get one this month because when I signed back up, that was the special. If I resubscribed, they would send me a free case, and they did not. So I'll have to message them about that. But usually you don't get the case always. You get it when you first subscribe, or you can order it later. Usually you just get the perfume insert of the perfume you choose, that you make like a queue, kind of like Netflix. You make a queue of what you want to watch, and they send it to you down the line of what you want to watch, of what perfume you want to get. This is Acqua di Parma. This is supposed to be scents of bergamot, citron, cedarwood, red ginger, and vetiver. Sounds good. Let's see how she smells. Not my favorite. Let me get another whiff. It's okay. It's okay. Not thrilled with this one. It's wearable though. It is a good way to get a little bit of a perfume you like or you want to try out, and I have to buy the huge big honking things for $90 to $130 or something. So that's cool. What'd you guys think? I'm pretty sure I'll have a link that'll get you a very good discount. I can't remember what it is offhand, but it'll say in the title, and I'll put it down below if I do have it, but I'm pretty sure I do. So give me a thumbs up if you like it, and subscribe if you like to watch unboxings, and I'll see you at the next one.